Hi there, I'm Stacey Holland, nutritional coach at the T Clinic with a specific focus on gut health. So why gut health, you may ask? Well, the digestive system has some of the most important organs in the entire body. In fact, did you know that there's a connection between the gut and the brain? So what you put in your mouth affects your mood, affects how you think, and it affects the digestive system conversely. In fact, 70% of our immune system cells lie within the digestive tract. So it really is an important system. When we focus on gut health, what we focus on are three major areas. Firstly, we focus on the physical integrity of the system. You may have heard terms like leaky gut, for example, which alludes to intestinal permeability, and that's something that we really try to address. Secondly, we address the ecosystem or the diversity of the microbial ecosystem on the inside of your digestive system. Here you may have heard of terms such as microbiome or flora or even the words probiotics. Then thirdly, what we try to address is the concept of toxicity. We have toxins in our food, in our personal care products, in our environment, and even toxins created from the microbes in our system. Ordinarily, our body can deal with these toxins, but when our gut health or our digestive system has been impacted, we struggle to deal with this toxicity. So if you're struggling with things like belching, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, or even both, indigestion, acid reflux, or even weight problems like picking up weight or not being able to lose weight. If you're struggling with things like IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, or even cramping and bloating after you have a meal, then come and see us at the T Clinic.